In this video, we are going to talk about how you can get a free web hosting for your website. And there is no hack, no hidden cost, no cheating at all. We are going to talk about the legit ways to get free website hosting. In fact, these web hosting will provide everything that you will need from a paid web hosting provider. The only drawback is that free hosting faces a lot of downtime, and site speed is also slow in comparison to a paid web hosting. So, let's not waste any time and start the video. Hosting number 1. Freehosting.com. Free hosting is our first option. It provides a lifetime free web hosting for beginners to get started. You can even add your domain name with free hosting at no additional cost. Plus, if you don't have a domain name, they'll provide you a subdomain that you can use as your website address. You will get unlimited bandwidth on your site, along with one email account, which is sufficient to get started. You'll also get access to website builders and control panels, which will make it easy for you to set up your website. The only drawback of freehosting.com is that it only provides 10 gigabytes of disk space, which means you cannot host heavy websites with their free hosting plan. Hosting number 2. InfinityFree.net. When it comes to free web hosting, this is my personal favorite. I hosted my first website on this platform. Although there were some downtime issues, but other than that, this is the best free hosting provider. Infinity Free also provide extra security, which keeps your site safe from hackers. You'll get 25 plus domain extensions, high uptime, and fast website speed. You'll also get direct access to more than 400 apps that you can directly install from the control panel. This is indeed the best free hosting provider in the internet. But just like freehosting.com, they also provide low disk space, which means you cannot host heavy website in their platform. Last but not least, we have our third web hosting provider, Googy Host. Googy Host is kinda new arrival in the free hosting market. But it has got awesome user reviews and ratings from its users, which is why we are mentioning it here. Unlike other free hosting providers, Googy Host provides high security to their users. Plus, they also provide 24/7 customer support, which gives it a competitive edge over other hosting providers. You can launch your website within 3 simple steps. Personally, we haven't used Googy Host yet, but their ratings and reviews are phenomenal. That's why we've included this in the video. We hope that this video was helpful for you. If you are someone who is looking to practice your web design skill, then these free hosting providers can be really helpful for you. But if you are planning to start a business, then we recommend that you go with a paid web hosting provider, as you'll get top-notch customer support and guidance, which will help you grow your business fast. If you are on a tight budget, then we recommend you to try Hostinger. You can host your website in less than $100 with Hostinger. Hostinger is a budget-friendly web hosting, and you can host multiple websites on it as well. We've personally used Hostinger for more than 1 year now, and we haven't faced any downtime or issues with our site. If you decide to try Hostinger, we've given a discount code in the description that you can use to get extra discounts on your order. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comments sections. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting reviews, comparisons and tutorial videos. Thanks for watching this video.